This is the next step, or one of the next steps in building the motor, and that's matching the 54 millimeter cylinder head, or cylinder and cylinder heads, to the block. Now it is 9 o'clock at night. Had a couple of those. I don't give a fuck. Fuck you. I'm an American, and if you're from another country, great. I think you should be drinking beer too. Anyway, to match the block here to the cylinder, excuse me, I'm going to have to put a base cylinder gasket on here to find the deck height of the piston. The deck height is where there's the head. I'll take that off, put that down. You can see the rod right there. The deck height is where the very top of the piston hits the very top of the cylinder, which is right this edge right here. Now that can be changed by different gaskets that are placed on the bottom here, or it can be changed by different head gaskets, which are generally not done. You have a regular head gasket for your head right there on top of the cylinder. Fucking it's cold out here. And that's the way it usually goes. But this is where the problem lies. And I'll try and explain this to all you newbies and people that don't have these fucking stupid ass chairs hanging around. Anyway, yes, I've had a couple of beers, and I do apologize, and I'm very, very sorry for it. And I'm an American. I hate myself, and I want to apologize to the rest of the world because I'm an American, and we do so much bad stuff, and apology is not in my DNA. Thank you.